Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RBIZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today from a price action perspective. But then you also look down here and you factor in the volume that's occurred. And yeah, I mean, definitely much bigger volume than what the chart has been getting on average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So we'll start with areas of support. And, the first level here is going to be what I'd consider the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be 004. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 004, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price happened to be able to hold above that level, that would be a big sign of power on the bulls. From the bulls perspective, I should say. What about next level of support? Next level would be that previous breakout point down there at 0036. So near term, 004, 0036 are going to be those levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 004 would be great, but from the big picture of things, as long as the price is above the purple line, the 50 period, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, you probably know right where I'm headed with this, but that is right up at 0046. Several times the price tried to get up through there and couldn't quite do it. At one point did very temporarily get above it, but that didn't last very long. The good news is, though, assuming there's no gap downs, the price closed right at this level of resistance. So that means if there are no gap downs, the bulls can immediately resume their battle with 0046. So that's always a good little sign, too, going into tomorrow. So yeah, no doubt about it. Nice move today. And now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.